Introduction. In today's world, the quest for sustainable heating solutions has become paramount as we seek to minimize our environmental footprint while still staying warm and comfortable. This is where paper briquettes step in, offering an eco-friendly alternative that not only helps reduce waste, but also provides an efficient source of heat. Among these solutions, the Mark V paper briquette maker stands out for its innovative design and functionality, offering a host of benefits for users seeking both environmental and economic advantages. Construction and size. The Mark V distinguishes itself through its robust construction, featuring a 3 mm mild steel chamber that ensures durability and longevity. Unlike its predecessors, the multimate Mark V boasts a larger size, allowing it to produce substantial briquettes ideal for use as free fire logs. This sturdy build and increased capacity make the Mark V a reliable choice for those seeking a sustainable heating solution built to last. Cost effectiveness. One of the most appealing aspects of the Mark V is its cost effectiveness. With a reduced price compared to earlier models like the Mark II, the Mark V offers significant savings for users. Moreover, when considering the free heat and energy generated from using paper briquettes, the Mark V proves to be a smart investment that pays dividends in the long run. Efficiency endorsed. By Stu as a game changer, the Mark V delivers exceptional efficiency in briquette production. Its ability to produce briquettes with longer burning times compared to previous models enhances its cost-effectiveness even further. This increased efficiency means users can enjoy sustained heat and energy for extended periods, maximizing the benefits of their investment. Practicality and user-friendliness. Designed with practicality in mind, the Mark V features a wall-mountable design and adjustable height for ergonomic operation. The quick-release mechanism streamlines the briquette production process, making it easy and efficient for users to create free fire logs without hassle. These user-friendly features ensure that anyone can utilize the Mark V with ease, regardless of their experience level. Versatility. The versatility of the multimate Mark V extends beyond its primary function of briquette production. It serves as a valuable tool for waste paper management, offering a sustainable solution for recycling paper into useful fire logs. Whether in households seeking free heating or businesses aiming for sustainable waste management, the Mark V proves to be a versatile and indispensable asset. Conclusion. In summary, the multimate Mark V paper briquette maker offers a myriad of benefits, ranging from environmental sustainability to economic savings. Its ability to provide free heat and energy, coupled with its cost-effectiveness, efficiency, practicality, and versatility, makes it a compelling choice for individuals and businesses alike. As we strive towards a greener future, embracing innovative solutions like the Mark V not only benefits us but also contributes to a healthier planet. Consider adopting the multimate Mark V paper briquette maker for your heating needs, and join the journey towards sustainability today.